What's up guys, today we're going to learn how to make a clicker simulator. First, open a base plate, or classic base plate or flat terrain, you can choose either one. Choose base plate. Once you are done loading, make sure you go to the view property, the view tab, and make sure Explorer and properties are open by clicking them. Then you will see these two. Most of you guys have it opened. So now what we want to do is play the game first. Okay, so you see those clickers? You see those clicker simulators that has points at the top here? That's called a leader stats. I have made a tutorial about leader stats before. You can check that video out in my channel. Okay, so let's make a leader stats. I'll be back when I'm done making the leader stats. Okay, I'm back. Now, what you need to do is actually make the button so you can click and add a currency. First, we need to test if it works or not. Okay, as you can see, the leader stats is working perfectly fine. Just stop. Okay, now we need to make the button itself to click. Now, go to Starter GUI, click the plus, and make sure you choose Screen GUI. Now, make sure Reset on Spawn is checked off. Is not checked, sorry. Now, you can rename it this to whatever you want, or you can just not rename it. I'm gonna rename it to Click GUI. Then you need to click the plus again. And if you have an image so that you can click image, choose image button. If you don't and you want it to appear as a text and then you can click it, choose text button. I don't, so I'm gonna choose text button. Now what you want to do is make the size of it, but first we need to make sure that it is scaled. To make it scaled, make sure go to size property and then make sure and delete the size and put 0.1. That will make its size for every single device. And then once you're done, you need to resize the button however you want. I'm just going to do it like a square, like this. You can now put it anywhere. I'm gonna put it, most clicker simulators put it right here. Now you need to make the text bigger, or you can also change the color of the button by clicking at the color you want. You can choose here, or you can just use a different shade choosing here. I chose this one. Okay, now that you're done, you can scale the text by checking text scale. You need to scroll down and look for text scale, and then you need to check the box. Then you make the text big. Now find text and then make it say whatever you want. I'm just going to make it say click, like that. Okay, you can customize the text color if you want. That's what I'm going to do. You can, if you want to make it white, press put 1. That will just make it automatic white. And you can choose a font face if you want. I like Fredoka 1. This is what I always choose. Okay, now after that, most clicker simulators have those smooth edges right here. So how you can do that is go to the text button, click plus, and search object UI corner and click it. There you have a corner smooth. Corner radius is, you also need it scaled. I would just put 0.1 for it to be scaled for every device. So to see if it's scaled or not, go to test at the top of the screen and click device. As you can see, it's scaled. And what happens if it's not scaled is this is what going to happen. Okay, let's just put it right here and let's just go to device. As you can see, it's big. It's big. It's not scaled. That's not scaled. Okay. And then after that, you need to make it so that you can actually click the button. To make that happen, go to the text button plus, and then you need to click local script. Now, first you need to get a player. To get a player, you need to do local player equals game.players.local player. And then after that, you need to get the player's leader stats. So you need to do the same thing. Local leader stats equals, we set the leader stats inside the player, so player.leader stats. Then you need to get your currency. Then, okay, so local, your currency name, you can actually put anything you want, like hi, it doesn't matter. Clicks equals leader stats dot click, the AI made it for me. So this you can change it to whatever you want. Like, okay, so what you need, this line is very important. Now this is what, okay, so if yours are different than me, just put the same thing. So mine's clicks, so I just put clicks. But if example yours are tabs, then just put tabs here. But I choose clicks. So now that you got the variables, we need to make it so that when the button is clicked, it will add a currency. So to do that, drop 2 lines and then write script dot parent. This script dot the parent is the button dot mouse button one click. Wait, oh, that was the right spelling. Mouse button one click. So what this does, it fires when the user's mouse fully left clicks the GUI button. So just click that, and then you need to connect that to a function, and then you can just go here, drop a line to do that. Okay, then wait, okay, if yours like this, you need to go here. Okay, so don't go here and drop a line. You need to go in this bracket where there's 2 brackets closing, and then enter. That will make an end. And then you need to put this, your whatever you named it. I named it clicks. So clicks, okay, is the clicks. But some people will make this mistake. Clicks equals clicks plus 1. Now that's not how you do it. See, it's a value, so you need to do clicks dot value and value. But you don't have to do it like this. You can also do it shortly, like plus equals 1. And then after you're done, you can start the game. Play. As you can see, I have 0 clicks. And then after that, I can click this button. There's 1 click, and I can just keep clicking it, and it will add clicks. So that's the whole video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.